Have you ever wanted to talk to ChatGPT instead of typing every message? With voice mode, you can have a natural conversation using your microphone, making it faster and more convenient to ask questions or brainstorm ideas. To start, open ChatGPT in your web browser and choose an existing conversation or create a new one. Look for the voice icon near the message box and click it. The first time you use voice mode, your browser may ask for permission to access your microphone. Click Allow so ChatGPT can hear what you say. You can also choose from a few different voices for ChatGPT's replies, depending on the options available on your account. Once voice mode starts, simply begin speaking. ChatGPT will listen to your question and respond using its own voice, creating a back-and-forth conversation without needing to type. Is it true octopuses have 3 hearts?
Yes, it is. Octopuses are pretty fascinating creatures. They have 3 hearts, 2 of them pump blood to the gills, and one pumps it to the rest of the body. And fun fact, when an octopus swims, the heart that delivers blood to the body actually stops beating.
And why does the main heart stop when they swim?
Yeah, so it's kind of a trade off. When they swim, it takes a lot of energy, and their muscles need a lot of oxygen. So by stopping that main heart, it kind of conserves energy and keeps the oxygen flowing where it's most needed. Pretty clever, right?
If you want to change the voice later, click the voice icon to start voice mode, then click the settings icon in the top right corner of the voice window. Choose the one you prefer. Your new selection is saved automatically, so the next time you use voice mode, ChatGPT will use that voice. When you're finished, click the End Conversation button to leave voice mode and return to the normal text chat. You can switch between voice and text at any time, so you're free to use whichever method is more convenient. For more quick guides, check out my other tutorials for simple tips. Thanks for watching.